Alright, so here's where I'm a bit stuck. This is the back side of the motor, and I've already taken the fan off of it. I got the fan off of it. It had 2 set screws, and I got those out. So I can see this little keyway here, but I can't figure out how to get this off. I'm not sure if I need a bearing puller on this end to grab this by the ears and take it off forward, because it's really stuck on there. I can get it to turn this way, because this whole thing is one solid piece, so I can get it to turn around in a full circle, no problem. And I thought in the beginning that maybe it was threaded on, but I don't think that's the case, because I've spun it enough where if it was threaded it would come off. Same thing with this one, kind of looks the same. It's dark. This one's still got the key in it, so this key must have came out at some point in the life of the saw, but there's no bearing ring I can seemingly get at from inside of here that seems to me that this would stop us from pulling it out. So I don't know, give me your 2 cents. Spins without any sound. I'm sure when it got up to a higher RPM though, it might give us something. But yeah, let me know what you think.